Hey Gucci, this is your girl Resolution, and today I'm going to be teaching you a high challenge by me. Before I get straight into this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Because the thumbs up is because the likes are lacking, you know? I want to see you like this video. Before you start doing this dance, make sure you're vibing to the music and everything, because the vibe is very, very important when it comes to doing the dance and enjoying it at the same time. You want to enjoy the moves. Okay, you want to chop it, you want to enjoy it when you're doing it. Obviously, we're going to start off with vibing to the music. You vibe. After that, the first move, what you're going to do is that you're going to clap, stand with your right shoulder is going to come forward, left shoulder is going to follow, and right again. So we're going clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. At the same time, what your hand is doing is that it's rotating around each other. So you're going this way, you're doing this, yeah? So we're going to go clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and again, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, yeah? After that, both arms are gonna come up, and when you come up, you're gonna lean backwards, yeah? So we're going clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and lean. And again, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and lean. So once you're here now, your arms is gonna come together to swing to the right, to the left, and to the right. So we're here, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, yeah? What your arms are basically doing is that your arms are together, or you can go 1, 2, 3, yeah? From the top, we're going clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1, 2, 3. With this move, what your lower part of your body is doing is that when your arm swings to the right, left leg comes out, swings to the left, right leg comes out. So your legs is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. How many times it is? So example, we're going 1, 2, 3. So it's coming out 3 times, okay? So we're going 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So from the top, we're going clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3, and up. Swing, swing, swing. Yeah? And you're gonna bring it up again. So you're gonna go swing, 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 and up. So after this, what you wanna do is that your right leg is gonna step behind. At the same time, you're kicking with your left. So you're going 1 and 2. Yeah? So we're going 1 and 1. So this is going to be twice. So what we're doing is that we're going to go 1 and 2, and again 1 and 2. Make sure that you're kind of leaning your body to the side so it gives you the balance. So we're going 1 and 2, and again 1 and 2, and again, and 1 and 2. So from the top, we're going clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1 and 2. And again, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1 and 2. After you do this move, what you want to do is that you want to pop your chest out to step 1, 2, 3. So what I mean is that you're going to do 1 and 2, boom, boom, ka. Yeah? So you're going to do right, left, right. Okay? You hear that? So you're going to go 1 and 2, right, left, right. Make sure you pop that chest out, because when you pop it out, it's going to bring you to the front, okay? So from this move, you're going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, boom, boom, ka. Yeah? So from the top, 1, 2, 3, ta, 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 yeah, ta, 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 yeah, ta, 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 ta. So we're here now, and after this, you're going to clap. Right leg is going to step out, left leg is going to step out, and right leg again. But make sure you're pointing out your hips. So what I mean is that you're going 1, 2, 3. So we're going 1, 2, 3. After you're here, you're going to do pop, pop. Yeah? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. Yeah? So from the top, 6, 7, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1 and 2, boom, boom, ka, and 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. We're almost at the end. Then we'll try with music, okay? And again, 5, 6, 7, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1, 2, 3, and up, and 1 and 2, boom, boom, ka, 1, 2, 3, ka, ka. Yeah, so we're here. Right leg is going to step out, left leg is going to step out, right leg follows. So you're going 1, 2, 3. With this move, you want to give it a bounce, yeah? So you're going 1, 2, 3, and it's on your tiptoes. So you're going bounce, 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 yeah? And again, bounce, 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 bounce the beat, bounce to the beat, bounce to the beat. So you're gonna do this 3 times. Right, left, right. So you're gonna go right, left, right, and you're gonna repeat this move. 1 and 2. And again, right, left, right, 1 and 2. And again, and right, left, right, 1 and 2. Okay? So after we do 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, ka, your right leg is gonna step again, left leg is gonna follow, and 3. This time you're not gonna cross your legs again. What you wanna do is that you wanna vosho. Vosho, you wanna vosho in any form of way. You can go 1, you can go 1, you can go 1. Listen, it's your freestyle, so play around with it, okay? Play around with it, okay? So we go ta 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 bi. Yeah, so from the top. 1, 2, bi. Oh lo 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 ai. Oh lo 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 ai. Oh lo 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 lo. Me I just want ta 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 bi. I'm gonna teach you 2 variations quickly, and yeah. So the first one you want to do is that you're gonna come down, and as you come down, your leg is gonna go straight down. Yeah. So you're going and boom. This comes with a lot of practice, guys, and make sure you stretch before you do it because you're gonna be in pain. To give you some sort of balance, what you can do is like you can go down and you can touch the floor if you want. The next one, the most common vosho, you're gonna go 1 and you're gonna drop, and again, and drop, and again, and drop. So at the end of 1, 2, 3, you can either go and 2 or and 2. Whichever is easy for you, do it. So from the top, I'm going to quickly sing it. Me, I just want to be I. Oh, lo, 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 be I. Oh, lo, 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 be I. Jamie, I just want to be I. Not to not ball, not to not go, not to not ball. Be I. Hey, I just want to, and you vibe, okay? Make sure you try with proper music. I'm going to be uploading a video of me doing the dance, so make sure you check it out and try with music, okay? But at this moment, please enjoy my amazing voice, okay? Me, I just want to be I. Oh, lo, 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 be I. Oh, lo, 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 be I. Hey, me, I just want to be I. Not to not ball, not to not ball, not to not ball. Thank you so much for staying tuned with Resolution. Don't forget to try this with proper music. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye.